Hello everyone. So today again I'm back with angles part 3. So today's topic is intersecting lines, again part 3 with the lines of transversal. Last time in last part I have already explained you what are C shape angles, what are Z shape angles, and what is F shape angles. Okay, so today we are going to do the same thing with some more examples. So here you can see that I have given you here X and here is 72 degree. Okay, so 72 degree, and you can see that the shape is clearly F shape angle here. This one is 72, so this will also be 72, because you can see the F shape is coming in this way, in the opposite way, like this. So F shape angles are always equal, or we can say corresponding angles. The other name is corresponding angles. So if this is 72 degree, the X will also be 72 degree. Reason is simple, F shape angles. The reason always you have to write, or other name is corresponding angles. Okay, now the second one, here you can see that I have here written 60 degree, and here is Y. You can see this is Z shape angles here inside here. So this is Z shape is forming here. So if this is 60, this will also be 60. So Y is 60 degrees. The reason is Z shape angles. What is the other name for Z shape angles? Alternate angles. The other name for Z shape is alternate angle. So you can write here alternate angle. Okay, now here you can see the third one. If you remember, we have done this type of angle also in last part. You can see both are interior angles, co-interior angles. Okay, the other name is C-shape angles. Yes, now they both are equal to 180 degree. Okay, so if one is 111, okay, so if one is 111, the another will be 180 minus 111. Okay, so when you subtract, you will get 69 degree. So if I am talking about reason you will say C-shape angle, or the other name is co-interior angle. Any one name you can write, children. Okay, it's not compulsory that both the names you have to write. Okay, now look at the next one. Now this one is X. We don't have any F-shape angle here. We don't have any vertically opposite angle here. Okay, at the same rate we don't have any co-interior angle here. But now we have to find, this one is 59, this one X. So first you will find this angle. First you will find, children, this angle, okay, by straight line angle. So the 180 minus 59 you will do it. So you will get 121. Okay, so this side is 121. Now you can see this is F-shape angle. So if this one is 121, X will also be 121. The reason is simple. You will say F-shape angles. Okay, you can do it with this side also, co-interior. If you want to find this one, straight same thing, you will do 180 minus 59. You will get this one because it is a co-interior angle. Okay, so 180 minus 59, 121. If this is 121, this one will also be 121. Why? Reason is vertically opposite angle. Any one way you can use, children. Or the third way, F-shape angle will come here. If this is 59, this angle will also be 59. Okay, F-shape angle, and then you use the straight angle, 180 minus 59, you will get 121. So there are several ways to find this angles. So any one reason, whichever way you are writing, you just mention the reason there. Either you are using F-shape angles or you are using Z-shape angles also you can do it, children. If this is 59, this will also be 59, and then you use the straight line angle. Okay, now next one is, yes, now look here, this one, you know that this is co-interior angle, and you have to find X and Y both. So first step, you will find the X by using co-interior rule. Okay, so X will be 180 minus 135. Okay, so 180 minus 135 will give you straight 45. Why? The reason is what? Co-interior angle or C-shaped angle. Okay, now if this is 45, so this will also be 45. Simple reason is opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. So y is also 45 degree. You will write here vertically, reason, opposite angle. I hope you understand. Okay, now the last one I want to show you the intersecting lines one. Okay, now I'm saying you angle AOC is 126. Angle AOC is 126 degree. Okay, you know that vertically opposite angles is our same. So if angle AOC is 126, then angle BOD will be also 126. Right? Because reason, they are vertically opposite angle. Okay, now if this is 126, now we have to find the remaining two. So you will use here now straight line angle. Okay, so angle AOC plus angle AOD, angle AOD and AOC, they are together 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair, linear angle, straight line angle. Okay, so 126 plus angle AOD equals 180. Straight we will write the steps. So 180 minus 126, you will do it. So you will get 54. So angle AOD is 54 degrees. So this side is 54. So if this is 54, this will also be 54. Reason, again vertically opposite angle. So you will say angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Reason 50 straight line, sorry, vertically opposite angle. So I hope now you understand how to find the missing angles in your transversal lines and parallel lines. Okay, so next topic will be more interesting. I hope you guys enjoy. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to share my channel. Like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.